Hey everybody, my name's Michael. I'm the install technician here at Fabspeed, and today we're going to go over a step-by-step guide on how to install our Fabspeed carbon fiber anti-wind buffeting kit. We'll be using this 992 GT3 here. Beautiful car, and this will be a nice little accent that you can do yourself at home. The first step will be to prep the surface of the vehicle that we're going to be installing the part on. You can use rubbing alcohol, acetone. We're going to use a little bit of soapy water. Now that our surface is nice and clean, we're going to go ahead and use the adhesion promoter before applying the carbon fiber. You're just going to carefully apply this. Don't want to go overboard, and make sure it only goes on the area where you'll be sticking the piece. Now that the adhesion promoter has had ample time to dry, like 30 seconds to a minute, we're going to go ahead and remove the backing on our 3M tape here and get the buffeter on the car. So what I like to do is line up the edge of the carbon fiber with the seam of the vehicle, starting at the base of the A-pillar, and then just follow the body line right up. Give it a good amount of pressure for maybe 15-20 seconds. And there you have it. That's a step-by-step guide on how to install our Fabspeed carbon fiber anti-wind buffeting kit. It'll really help make those highway drives a little bit more enjoyable, or on the racetrack if you want to have a window down. So yeah, thank you for choosing Fabspeed, and we'll see you out there on the road.